lifestyle, aka what mankind. Charlie be me na celebrity hour. This be celebrity hour. Make I talk you something. If you no subscribe to the channel, I dey talk you right now. If you subscribe to the channel, you be what? Too much GH. Too much GH. Oh fine, you subscribe more. Young goodie. Subscribe, because anything be away they go on for social media, you will get them for too much GH, because we go take one at a time, we go explain them, make you understand, make you go your head inside, because we get time give you, sake of your love, sake of say you, we dey give you. That's why they will make you what? If you subscribe, make everything go on, give you. You know Santo, then Judas, but the person where you matter can be what? Judas. Judas can't talk say Kwame despite they deceive the world, like in all the things be away they do, they deceive. He be ungrateful person. What he make Judas can't talk that thing. Judas talk say, he be like he dare more way Kwame despite be Kwame despite right now. He dare more in ideas than things we take give Kwame despite. He say he give Kwame despite the idea say Charlie make he build what? Make he build radio station. Where make he name him what? Peace FM. He dare more way than Santo. He then Santo today one way, then they sell cassette for Kumasi, then everything go on that. You know be one time pay way Judas can't talk that you. He can't talk him countless of time. You go Kweku Memi what aggressive interview, like interview top way you go talk that thing. But we know hear from what Wanabosu, we know hear from Despite, we know hear from him. He make quiet from this matter talk. Make I talk you. When plenty people to the last word Judas, then they lash him back to back then. He say you if you help someone make you achieve in dream then it be something way for can't talk. Where the person need no help you, it be something way for can't talk. If be you way he make you like if you organize then things where everything they go on give him. If you not talk him, if you put your trust in what? In God. When Judas can't talk again, some can't talk again say he in Judas no way he did. In ideas, in things be where he did. He way he make Kwame Despite be Kwame Despite right now where he did. In businesses that thing. Now Kwame Despite promised them. He promised them say everything go well. He go employ them to in company them things. But Kwame Despite no mind. You know mind way challenging now. You don't know what he they do plus what in lifestyle them things. Where Ghanaians then in France. People they lash them back to back. You know say this world where we dey inside or this country where we dey inside. Plenty people get love give what? Kwame Despite. The love where they get give them, the old women, the what, the youth, the things, so in what? In adore them things, the giving way you do what they give, Plenty people they speak good name about them. Where plenty people to they pray give them say make it continue. They doing what? The blessing, the things where they should give the street, then the what? When a grandma then our sisters, Where another fan can say you do that name. What they wrong you? What they wrong you? You know be anything be away for can't talk. Then they talk for the comment inside. If you not can't talk this thing, you put trust in human. You know say human will be dashed too. Human you be that if you don't know say you be dashed at home. You go feel go mortuary. You go mortuary where you see say you want take the inside. You go see say the human be been born super way dey. Who pan such was as this so you himself for be and I want to be and I will be a catcher so about boas as this so now what the one doing in money pan and now pay be papa man what they are you yourself you make your big time because man no be God. Man can never be God. Make you not put that trust. That trust. Where another person where he did the comment section can't talk say you do that what they won't make what Kwame Despite do you. Kwame Despite do you. Kwame Despite you got plenty business then things maybe cry you talk that you will be way back. This thing where they talk now sure say Charlie that times in the crowd maybe cry they not born me or they not born you where they spy me or something or maybe they born you. It may be the man they forget that maybe the man they plan something big give you because the man he get what kind heart then things because the man plenty people know him for outside and he take big international award and things say he get sympathy give you man because in richest way God take give him they take give himself or his family they take share and things see people where they did peace way they like they did the workers they make them all find their things but you Judas girl patient that. You know that and things, you still get life and things. You don't know what Kwame Despite want to give you. Right now, see the way they talk. Where Kwame Despite plan something give you self now, you go Sean. Where I don't know say I'm not sure say Kwame Despite go Sean because he heart inside he do give God. They do give you. If you do him say they do give you where inspire you are, he nanny go do what? Give you. See what he can't talk plenty. You talk plenty where plenty people to they reply you, then what? Then things. That be the yawa way Charlie Judas can do where he can put that for Kwame Despite in what in top. Where we the watch Kwame Despite make it come out. We the watch jam because if you come out they can't talk everything. We the watch jam say make it come out they can't talk make it can't explain them things or maybe if it's lie where Judas they put for in top there. We go see say Judas it be yawa man. That be what I don't want flow. Another thing to come social media top. So I'm sure you say you go beach. You go the beach in a way, Charlie, they take pictures and things. You take the pictures and they come out, you know, when you see the pictures, you know, you see some face be for what? For the sky inside, where you know they see say you be God. You say you not need to believe those things. Because they see plenty of people, if you guys say plenty of people, they do editing and things. When you send the picture, you send the picture, secretly give the man amwa. If you don't know anamwa, anamwa, it be what? It be GH1 presenter where he did their way right now. It be acting director for GH1 where he direct and things. Where he send the what? He they manage. He send the manage and things. He send the picture, give the shot, you say, you know, now you know they believe those things and things. Make I talk you something. Plenty people they figure say there's no God. People where they think say there's no God, then they lie themselves. God did. The plenty people, if you ask some people, they go say them, then they believe in higher power than things. It be your mind where they take talk, where they sound they listen people. Because you now I don't know how do you exist? You existed. So sometimes, you know, if you not say me, I'm on my own, I for live my own life to do. If you live your own life basically to please God, not to please what man. You do your man per se, you go please man per. You yourself, you be our big time. Where the girl can't explain things, he can't talk plenty. When you fast to the doctor say, hey, this picture here, you know they rap Jesus, you know they rap God cry, they rap what? John the Baptist, John the Baptist, because seeing eyebrow and things, oh, when plenty people they have fun for social media talk. But as they have fun, now they said say Charlie, me myself, you know, I dey love my brother as myself. Me myself, you know, I dey treat people like the way I dey treat myself. Me myself, you know, I know they what spread false rumor against people because if you where God they like, because through that in a way you will make your blessing what pop up then things. That be what it happened for the what the social media talk. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka Mankind. Make I talk you something. If you subscribe to the channel, this is the way you make attentive, where you listen, where the news need be you. If you want more of this news now, if you subscribe, you subscribe them to Too Much GH. If you not be selfish, you be selfish there. I don't know what they wrong you because plenty people for what if for share, if for subscribe there, everything will go on there. Plenty people will get the benefit of this video so that them too they go see God day. Them to them go see say if you not put yourself for human being top because you put yourself for human being top, it be your big time. It be the Yawa team, the biggest Yawa team where you go do for what your life inside. Prayer always what work. Pow, 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 pow.
Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetumi afem the great tempo. Mbrembrem, wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH, mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.